This video demonstrates how to use Postman to call the API for creating a cluster. Click your username on the upper right corner and choose My Credentials. Make a note of your username, password, account name, and project ID. Open Postman, create a post request, and obtain the token for authentication. Enter your username, password, account name, and project ID. Make a note of the token value in the returned result. The token is valid for 24 hours. Create a post request, call the API, and add configuration items. You can configure the parameter values as needed. The cluster is created. Obtain the cluster ID.